Locks and hydrogen fill and drain valves closed. External tank strut heaters off. Payload bay vent doors positioned. Standing by for the handoff to Endeavour's onboard computers. Handoff is complete. Endeavour's computers now controlling.
25.
SRB nozzles gimbal to flight position.
20.
Firing chain is armed. Sound suppression water system is activated. Range safety command systems are armed. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7. Ignition sequence start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and liftoff of the Space Shuttle Endeavour to develop the practical and the beneficial aspects of space.
Roll program, Houston.
Roger, roll, Endeavour.
Houston now controlling. Endeavour's underway on its 11th trip to space. Currently rolling on course for an east-northeast trajectory away from the Kennedy Space Center toward a 39-degree inclination, 153 nautical mile altitude orbit. Endeavour already traveling 430 miles per hour. Altitude 2 miles. 3 engines on board Endeavour have now throttled back to 2/3 throttle to prepare the spacecraft to pass through the area of maximum air pressure and go supersonic. Endeavour speed now 700 miles per hour, altitude 4.5 miles, 2.5 miles east-northeast of the Kennedy Space Center.
Endeavour, go at throttle up.
Go throttle up.
3 engines on Endeavour now back at full throttle. Altitude 10 miles. Endeavour traveling 1,400 miles per hour, 8 miles east-northeast of the Kennedy Space Center. 1.5 minutes since launch, Endeavour's already used more than 2.25 million pounds of propellant. The spacecraft weighs less than half of what it did at liftoff. One minute 50 seconds since liftoff. Endeavour now traveling 2,700 miles per hour. Altitude 24 miles. 24 miles downrange from the Kennedy Space Center. Flight controller standing by for burnout and jettison of the twin solid rockets. Booster officer confirms a good jettison of the twin solid rockets. Endeavour now on its second stage main engines.
Endeavour, performance nominal.
Copy, nominal.
Call confirming that Endeavour's performance to this point is just as planned.
The rate of descent of Endeavour is about 6 times that of a commercial airliner as it makes its final approach, as altitude is 10,000 feet. About 1 minute from touchdown, Endeavour traveling through 5,600 feet. Commander John Casper beginning to level out in a pre-flare maneuver approaching the runway. And the landing gear is now down and locked. Main gear touchdown. out on runway 33 at the Kennedy Space Center, completing its 11th mission in space, 161 orbits of the Earth, traveling 4.1 million miles.
Houston.
Welcome back, Endeavour, and congratulations on a highly successful flight. Endeavour, you set a record for the most rendezvous in the shuttle era and the longest amount of time spent in rendezvous ops. Congratulations.
Roger, and thank you very much, Arlene, for all the support from your end.
Roger that, and we're checking for post-landing deltas at this time.